Hello everyone, my name is Parth Sethi and I'm your new instructor at IDALS. I'm going to be teaching you a choreography on the song Udd Gaye by Ritviz. Yes, it's an advanced choreography followed by my showcase. We're going to be focusing on execution tools. How do you execute a choreography, any choreography? Yes, so see you in class. So let's get into the choreography. I'm going to tell you a bit about the song. It's called Udd Gaye and it's by Ritviz. It's a brilliant song and definitely one of my favorites. I've been waiting to choreograph on this for a long while now. So let's get into it. So we're going to start 5, 6, 7, 8 and. So we're going to start 5, 6, 7, 8 and up. Okay. And you're going to take your right hand. I'm just going to teach you the hands first. You're going to go and 1 and 2. And then you're going to go and 3 and 4. Now when you do 3 and 4, you're going to take the left hand back as well, and then here, and then you're going to take the left hand up. So we're going to go and 1 and 2 and 3, make a shape, and you're going to come up, and then you're going to go drop up, and then you're going to release for just a smidge, and then you're going to go out, in, carry the hand, drop, cross, over. As soon as you go over, your right hand's going to take a flight. As soon as the left lands, the right's going to take a flight. All right. Let's do it in counts. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Make sure you release it on 8. Yes. Feet are doing the same thing. So hands going cross. So hands going over, cross, down, and cross again. Right? It's the same thing that the feet is doing. It's cross, open, back, open, slide. Shift the weight on your right leg. And then the same thing with the left. Ha, ha, back, open, go. On the third one, you're just going to drop, open. Yeah? It's going to drop and then put all your weight on your right leg, and then you're going to release. And then, because the right leg has all the weight and the left is free, we're going to start with left. Open, cross, open, and then when we release on 8, we're going to go ha. 5, 6, 7, together, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and together, 8 and just take your neck, tick, tick with your heel, tick, tick, together. All right, so let's get into it. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and let's go. Moving on from here, and you're going to go 1 and catch other side. So what we're doing right now is giving a swing on the right hand, swing, swing twice. Accent is somewhere this way, this area. So swing, swing. First swing is going to take my neck. Second swing is going to take my knee. Okay. So we're going to go step and then we're going to go step. It's a right and then it's a left. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Sorry. Okay, so from here and we're going to go 1, step the right foot, accent, and then you're going to take your neck with the hand, and then you open up your left outside, and then the knee is going to come in with the second rotation. Yeah, so you give me a click and a click, and then you give me a click, left side, and then you hit. As soon as you hit, this right hand's going to take a flight. So basically it's the button technique. Yeah, one move finishes and the other starts. It's not different points. It's not 1, 2. It's actually 1, 2. There's a difference between 1, 2 and a 1, 2. Okay, ending of one motion is the beginning of the another. We're doing the same thing here. We're going 1. As soon as we end, we start, and then we go ha, ha. As soon as you end this is the button, and the right hand gets activated, and then you're going to catch your elbow and throw it back. When you throw it back, you're going to hop on your left, catch your right, and then go over. Just knee's going to go, heel's going to go outside, heel's going to go inside, and hand is going to keep the hold on your foot and here. And then you sort of see a triangle. Yeah, you see a angle here and a triangle like that. But you may not want to keep the triangle, that's fine. But I want you to have this angle, this right angle triangle here. You're going to trace this angle with your right hand, drop and open. And then you're going to throw your leg. And then very slow round the